Oh no! Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, what?
Nothing. Oh, the car came off of it. Drive it. What you... Drive it. Oh no, my foot. Oh.
Okay, then you gotta go like this.
You gotta learn how to back up. What's the matter, Leo?
What's Rainbow? It's okay.
You like it? You want to drive it outside? With the lights?
Now go.
The other one.
It's okay. It's just a monster truck. Yeah. Caleb's first remote control car. What's the matter, Leo? Oh no, there it goes.
The other way, baby. Go the other way. Go up. Right here. Go up. This way.
Oh. Hey, come here, come here. It's okay. Go get it. It's okay. Look. Get it. Get it. Come on.
Go the other way. Other way. Up. There you go. Oh, Dada.
This is our cat's new food bowl. Uh-oh. Drive it, Caleb. Go. Scare Leo. Get him. Go get Leo. No, the other way. That way. Go forward.
Other way. Up.
No, that way.
Up. Oh, up. There you go.
Oh, you missed it.
Here.
I guess Leo's hungry.
Go up. Go the other way. There you go. Can you hit that?
He's like, yeah, let me put it right in front of it. Then I can hit it. Look, I did it, Mom.
Okay, go. Go the other way.
You did it! Good job.
It's stuck.
Go the other way.
He's going the right way. He's just stuck.
Oh. It works. You like it?
Go. Okay?
Okay.
What's this? That's my toy.
You like it? Oh no.
Go the other way.
Okay.
That's an awesome truck.
It's a monster truck. It's a monster truck that's coming.
The monster truck is coming?
Mm-hmm.
Whoa. Look, the monster truck's gonna run over the little cart. Oh, you got it. You crushed it. Oh, I'm not even recording. Oh, yeah, I am. I was like, oh my god, it stopped. The little red dot disappeared, but it came back.